and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add a token in your Tonkeeper. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Tonkeeper is basically a wallet, and to simply add some tokens on it, all you need to do is simply open it. Once you're gonna open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you need to have some ton coins to get token. So all you need to do now is, if you have some ton coins which you want to turn into tokens, then you can simply tap on the swap option. Once you tap on the swap option, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you gotta do now is simply tap how many ton coins you wanna trade with the USDT. So simply I'm typing 35, which will value up to 115.91. So this will be the swap, or this amount of token I will be getting if I'm gonna swap my ton coins. So once you have done this, you can simply hit the confirm button and proceed with the transaction, and you can simply add token in your Tonkeeper. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.